Warm welcome your channel Meet MIT, that is Math. In this video we are going to share some tips and tricks about coordinates, and especially in coordinate we'll be discussing about pair of straight line and circle. So today in this video we'll be especially discussing about pair of straight line. So hope you know about in coordinate geometry in geometry we have to study about, see here, two things. First, straight line. Second one, it is here pair of straight line, and the third one is here, circle. So we have already shared some tips and tricks about straight line. Today we are going to share about this, and very easy. From coordinates what you have to study, it is here S, P, C. How to remember? Very simple. It is Shankar, Prasad, Chaudhary. Remember, it is funny. Chaudhary. It is here Shankar, Prasad, Chaudhary. That means straight line, pair of straight line, and circle. Now we are going to discuss about pair of straight lines. Let me explain with examples. I will be sharing some tips and tricks that is very useful for those students who are preparing for entrance exams, and then those who are preparing for SC exams and for grade 11 and 12 also. So pair of straight line. In this, there will be, in short questions, there will be always questions based on homogeneous equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equals 0. So always we know that it gives always two lines passing through origin. Okay, two lines it gives two lines passing through origin. Note down first point. And now angle between two lines, then angle to find between two lines, angle will be given by the formula tan theta equals plus minus twice h square minus ab by a plus b. So maybe the question, two lines given, find single line, or maybe sometimes one single line given, you have to find two lines. So we will be discussing about this. Sometimes maybe the question based on one equation is given, calculate the angle between two lines, and then we'll use this formula. Also, this gives here perpendicular condition. Perpendicular condition will be here. From this you can see, note down, a plus b equals 0. That is, again let me explain. A is what? That is coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square must be 0. This is the condition. Sometimes may be given two lines are perpendicular to each other, find value of unknown. Maybe the second one condition here, coincident lines. For coincident lines, remember the condition h square equals ab. This is the condition. Now besides this we will be discussing also about, let me explain how we are solving short questions, and maybe in long question find or solve the equations will be there. Find equation of pair of straight lines with some conditions. Suppose here one question, if I am taking here, if 2x square plus 5xy plus 6ky square equals 0 represents a pair of perpendicular lines. So what is the value of k? Maybe the question. Okay, so in this case very simple. So what is the perpendicular condition? We have, write down here, very simple perpendicular condition. So perpendicular condition, what is our perpendicular condition? Simply a plus b equals 0. and from this we can see here this is A, this is A, and this whole is B. So what we are getting here, A, this is A and this is B. So 2 plus 6k equals 0, or we can write here 6k equals minus 2. Therefore here k equals minus 2 by 6, it is here minus 1 by 3. Therefore k is what? Minus 1 by 3. First one. This type of question may be asked, or maybe sometimes maybe based on coincidence. Maybe the question like this. Sometimes 2 number question, let's see here. Find the angle between two lines represented by x square 2x square plus 5xy, and then it will be here minus 2y square equals 0. Sometimes very easy question. So what we are going to here in this case, okay, so in this case I will be showing by two methods, different methods. Here if you see A is how much? A is 2, B is how much? Minus 2, and h equals 5 by 2. So tan theta will be, then we can write here tan theta equals plus minus twice h square minus ab by a plus b. It gives here tan theta equals how much? Plus minus twice h square means 25 by 4 minus ab is here minus plus 4 by ab, you can see here plus, and then it will be a plus b means 2 minus 2. So what we are getting here, if you see, actually here most of the students are following this method, but I will be explaining another shortcut method for this. So it is simply 2s plus minus, here it is 25 plus 16 by 0. So here 4 is there inside the root, and then you are getting 0 something, so you don't have to calculate this. Tan theta equals here plus minus infinity, something by 0 means infinity. So we can write here simply, or tan theta equals tan 90 degree. So simply we can write here theta equals 90 degree. So now what is the shortcut method for this? Simply if this question or this type of question is in your exam, so no need to do trick about this. So simply you can check here a plus b is how much? First you see a plus b is 2 minus 2 equals 0. So you can directly write here theta equals 90 degree, because a plus b equals 0 means it is perpendicular. Let me show you one more example with another explanation and some tips. So maybe question based on coincident lines, how we are solving this thing. Then for that, for coincident lines, see here, if third one question, if the lines represented by 3x square plus 5k yx minus 2y square equals 0 are coincident, what is the value of k? Maybe the question like this. So what we are doing here for this type of problem, here what is the, let's find the value of a is how much? 3, and b is minus 2, and the value of s is 5k by 2. For coincident line, we know for coincident lines, it is here h square equals ab. So h is how much here? 25k square by 4 equals a into b means here simply it is here. So you need to check here, put here plus, once plus here, so otherwise you will be getting minus answer. So it is simply a into b means 6, or we got here k square equals here simply, so 24 by 25. Therefore you can write here k equals 24 by 25 square root of this